In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side where you see the main menu. Find the option labeled Pages. Hover your mouse over it, and a small submenu will appear. From there, click on All Pages. This will open a list of all the pages currently on your website. Take a moment to locate the specific page where you want to add your click to call button. When you found it, hover your mouse over the page title. You'll see several options appear just below the title. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor Page Builder, where you can visually edit your page content. Inside Elementor, you'll notice a panel on the left side with all your widgets. This is where you can drag elements onto your page. In the search bar at the top of the panel, type Button to quickly find the button widget. Click and drag the button widget onto the section of your page where you want the click to call feature to appear. Once you drop it into place and select it, the button settings will show up in that same left panel. Make sure you are on the Content tab for the button settings. Set the button type to default, which is usually fine for a simple call button. In the text field, change the label to something clear like Call Now, or any short phrase that makes sense for your visitors. Next, go to the link field. This is the crucial part for making it a click to call button. Type TEL, followed immediately by your country code and your phone number with no spaces. For example, TEL, followed by the full number. This TEL link tells mobile devices and even some desktop apps to start a phone call when the button is clicked. If you'd like, you can also add a phone icon next to the text to make it even more obvious that this is a call button. You can assign a button ID as well, which can be helpful for tracking clicks or for more advanced customization later. To adjust the appearance, switch to the Style tab. Here you can change the colors, typography, padding, and more so the button matches your site's design. For spacing, motion effects, or responsive settings, go to the Advanced tab for additional controls. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, move to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update if it's an existing page, or Publish if it's a new page. Once that's done, your click to call button is live and ready for your visitors to use.